Namo Namah. Welcome to the Sanskrit Learner channel. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about pronouns related to neuter gender. Pronouns in Sanskrit are called Sarvanama Padani. Neuter gender is called Napumsakalinga. So, today we are going to focus on Napumsakalinga Shabdaha, words related to neuter gender. Alright, let us now move on to the lesson. As you can see here, I have grouped the pronouns into two categories. One set of pronouns are used to refer to words close to us, and the other set of pronouns are used to refer to words that are a little bit away from us. Alright, so these are the set of pronouns related to neuter gender that we are going to learn today. Prathama Purusha Napumsakalinga Shabdaha. Right. If there is an object which is very close to you, you can use two set of pronouns. You can either say idam, idam, or etat, etat. If an object is a little bit away from you, you can use tat. If there are two objects near you, you can use ime or ete. If two objects are away from you, you can use te. Now, the dual form of the plural is unique to Sanskrit. Unlike in English, in the Sanskrit language, we use two types of plurals. One, when there are two objects or two things or two people, whatever. Here, it's two objects. The other plural form is when there are more than two objects, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Right. So the general plural form is imani or etani when there are things which are close to you. When there are things which are away from you, more than two objects, you can use thani. Right. Usually we don't use idam, ime, and imani in isolation. We usually use them in sentences. But for general use nowadays, you can use etat, tat, ete, te, etani, and thani. Alright, let us now look into some examples. As you can see here, this fruit, this is, even though I have mentioned apple, it's not apple in the sense, here I'm used in the sense of a fruit. Okay, so this fruit is near me, so I can say idam phalam, idam phalam. Or I can say etat phalam, etat phalam. This is a fruit. If there is an object a little bit away from me, in the sense of far, I can use tat, tat dwaram, tat dwaram. That is a door. Etat phalam, tat dwaram. The dual form, when there are two objects near you, we can say ime phale, ime phale, or ete phale, ete phale. When there are two objects away from you, we can say te dware, te dware. These are fruits, and those are doors. When there are more than two objects near you, two fruits near you, you can say imani phalani, imani phalani, or you can say etani phalani, etani phalani. When there are three doors, three objects away from you, you can say thani dwarani, thani dwarani. Those are doors. Let us look into some more examples. You can see there's a book here close to me, and there is a leaf away from me. This is a book, that's a leaf. Idam pustakam. Idam pustakam. Oh, I can say etat pustakam. Etat pustakam. When the leaf is away from me, I can say tat parnam. Tat parnam. When there are two books near me, I can say ime pustake. Ime pustake. Or I can say ete pustake. Ete pustake. When there are two leaves away from me, I can say te parne. Te parne. When there are more than two books close to me, I can say imani pustakani. Imani pustakani. Or I can say etani pustakani. Etani pustakani. When there are three leaves away from me, I can say Thani Parnani. Thani Parnani. Alright, let us look into some more examples. Look at this. Please also note that with the pronoun, the noun form also changes. Okay? Right, look at this. Now, this is a house, that's a plane. Idam Griham. Idam Griham. Griham house. Etat Griham. Etat Griham. This plane is away from me, far away from me, so I can say Tat Vimanam. Tat Vimanam. So focus on these orange color words. These are the pronoun. This is the focus. These are the focus of our lesson today. So there are two houses near me, close to me. So I can say ime grihe. Ime grihe. Or I can say ete grihe. Ete grihe. There are two planes far away from me, so I can say te vimane. Te vimane. These orange color words are the pronouns and these are the nouns. Okay? Alright. So the general form, plural form, when there are more than three objects, I can say imani grihani. Imani grihani. Or I can say etani grihani. Etani grihani. The three planes are far away from me, so I can say Thani Vimanani. Thani Vimanani. Alright, let us look into one last example. Look at this. This eye, this is an eye, okay? It's with me, right? Idam netram. Idam netram. Netram is eye. Or I can say etat netram. Etat netram. This is an eye. And that's the temple. Temple, mandiram. So tat mandiram. Tat mandiram. So these are two eyes, okay? The dual form. So I can say ime netre. Ime netre. Or I can say ete netre. Ete netre. Now these those temples are away from me, so I can say te mandire. Te mandire. So the noun form also changes along with the pronoun. Finally, you see the plural form when there are more than two objects. So imani netrani. Imani netrani. Or etani netrani. Etani netrani. These are eyes. So there are three temples away from me, so I can say Thani Mandirani. Thani Mandirani. Alright, that's all with the examples. I'll leave this example for you to do. All you have to do is you got to put this appropriate pronoun, Sarvanama Padani, into these boxes to match these nouns. Alright. So for example, first one, we have the noun Pushpe. Pushpe is the dual form which is dual form of flowers, and I have given the location, so it's far away from me. So two flowers are far away from me, so I can use they. Use each of these only once, and I have given the nouns and the meanings, whether they are singular or plural, and also whether they are near or far away. So pushpe, jalam, water, udyanani, gardens, chatra, umbrella, vatayane, windows, upanetrani, pair of glasses, more than two, in general plural. All right. So that's the end of the lesson today. You can write these answers. Even you can write the answers in the comment section. And also, I'll leave the answers. I'll leave the link to the answers separately in the comment section, in the description. I'm sorry. So you can click on that, and after doing the exercise, you can check the answers. All right. Okay. Thank you for remaining in the lesson today. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Dhanyavadaha. Do subscribe to the Sanskrit Learner channel.